Hello beautiful blockchain people. Today let's analyze the price chart of Uniswap that is currently trading at the level of $6.74. So this is the monthly time frame. To some extent we are very familiar with the price chart of Uniswap. The price skyrocketed in the first half of 2021. It posted in April and May a sequence of new all-time highs, but after that a correction started. Later in the summer we had a hammer candlestick, a rebound, and after that in September, October, and November another correction started. So since then there has been a sequence mainly of consisting of candlesticks with lower highs and lower lows. So this is a bearish signal. Of course, during the last couple of months we had some sideways movement, or we had a break. So here we had a small candlestick similar to, let's say, a Dodge. This one was also similar to a Dodge or a spinning top. It had a local high, let's say at the level of the previous one, and a local low at the level of the previous one. So we had a small break or consolidation. But in April, another bearish candlestick formed that was able to post a local low below the previous one. So that was a bearish signal. It is a bearish signal, and I want to highlight that it confirms the bearish pressure, the selling pressure. Of course, everything may change. We have to keep in mind that today has started the 2-day long FOMC or Fed monetary policy meeting, where they will determine the further, let's say, monetary policy course, and that's why it can affect significantly the prices of the, let's say, many financial assets, including the cryptocurrency market, in particular Uniswap as well. That's why everything may change, but at the moment we have this bearish pressure, and it's obvious. We have a sequence of candlesticks with lower highs and lower lows in the monthly chart. Now let's move on to the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. For example, if we switch to a linear chart, it's obvious that we have a sequence of lower highs and lower lows. That's why the weekly chart confirms the bearish pressure as well. Also, let me remind you that after this price rebound, a bearish engulfing took place. We talk about it. So that was the bearish engulfing, the bearish candlestick covered with its body, the body of the previous one. Also, it had a local high below the previous one and a local low below the previous one. So that was a bearish signal, and since then there has been a sequence mainly of bearish candlesticks. I say mainly because these candlesticks are relatively small, but of course they are bearish. So we have a sequence of bearish candlesticks with lower highs and lower lows. As long as this remains in place, I will continue to say that this is a bearish signal. We have a bearish pressure, we have a selling pressure, and so on. Of course, if I see a maximum above the previous one and a minimum above the previous one, it will be an initial signal that the situation is probably going to improve. At the moment, we still don't have this. That's why we have to be really very cautious. Okay, this is the daily chart. We have 3 moving averages. So let's start step by step. The first one is the 30-day moving average. It is heading downwards. The price is below the 30-day moving average or the 1-month moving average. So this is a bearish signal. We have to be really very cautious. The 90-day moving average has been above the price since the middle of November. Of course, here during this price rebound, the price tested the 3-month or 1-quarter or 90-day moving average. However, the attempt was, let's say, unsuccessful because it served as a solid resistance, let's say, level, and the price started declining. So since then, or since this point of the chart, there has been, let's say, a bearish signal because the price is below these 2 moving averages. And of course, if we add the 360 days or 1 year moving average. The price is significantly below this moving average, so this is another bearish signal. And I want to say that I will change my mind only if I see the price above all these 3 moving averages, but it seems that at the moment we're not very close to such scenario. That's why I prefer to stay away. Of course, at some point of time the price may rebound. For example, if we check the 4-hour chart, let me remind you that we've been following all these descending channels. So we had a sequence here of lower highs and lower lows, a descending channel. Then the price rebounded. Let me change a little bit already the trajectory of this, the style, I mean, of this descending channel. So because everything has changed already. So this is the style. And I want to say that the price has exited this descending channel and has formed another descending channel. So we still have this lower highs and lower lows. Definitely at some point of time the price may rebound and it may get back to the, at least to the upper line of this descending channel. But I won't try to catch this falling knife because we have this descending channel or a sequence of lower highs and lower lows. So this is a downtrend. Of course, if I see an uptrend or something like this, let me remind you what I mean in the price chart of Uniswap as well. So this is, for example, a sequence of higher lows and higher highs. So this is an ascending channel or uptrend. So if I see something like this, I will start looking for a buy signal and I will probably enter the market. But at the moment, we're far away from such kind of scenario. And once again, I'm not interested in trying to catch such kind of rebounds because for me, this is quite dangerous. Of course, that's my point of view. Once again, I want to mention that today, earlier today, the 2-day monetary policy meeting of the Fed Reserve started, so it may significantly impact the prices of the financial assets, including the cryptocurrency market. So we have to be really very cautious. But today I have applied just or solely technical analysis. That's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your point of view as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.